Hello guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Yogesh. Today I am going to discuss about statistical concept, central tendency, mean median mode. So first of all, let's discuss mean median mode. Mean is mostly used to calculate the average value of our data sets. Like there are ages of people given, like here is given 21, 24, 56, 78, 90. So how we can calculate the average? We can, first of all, we have to create in one array a equals to np dot array. Okay, first of all, I have to import numpy as np. Okay, here is the array. If you want to calculate a divided by total number 1 2 3 4 5, it will divide all number. But if you want to calculate, we have to do sum of a divided by 5. Okay, this is the mean value of particular array. So mean central tendency is used to calculate the average value so that we can draw a conclusion from that average value, that how much people are more than mean value and how much people are less than mean value, and we can calculate the difference between the mean value and the given value. So it will, we can find out the conclusion from that data set. So mean is calculated from that. And what, how a mean is calculated? So we have to sum up all numbers, divide by total numbers, we can get a mean of that data. So here is given data 2 4 4 5 5 7 9. So divide by total number like 20. Here not is 20, but total number is 20. So median mean will be 5. So now let's discuss median. So first of all, let's discuss what is median. Median represent the middle value of data in odd and in even. So how to calculate in even number and how to calculate in odd number. Like here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is odd numbers. So how to calculate? So odd in, it is calculated by like divide by 2. So 3 year, so middle value will be 6. Means total number 1 2 3 4 plus 5 6 7, and 7 plus 1 divided by 2, so 4. So fourth value will be middle value. This is how calculated the median of odd data. And how we calculate the median of even data? So in even there are two middle values, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So how we can calculate? We can calculate the arithmetic mean of two particular numbers. So 4 plus 5 divided by 2, 4.5 will be the middle value of this data. This is how median value is calculated. What is the use of median? Median is to find out the middle value of the data. It's a central tendency to get a middle value of that data. In some cases, like mean, median, and mode can be a same. Mode means number of, means frequency of numbers is more in data is known as mode. So how to calculate? Number of frequency is more, then it will be a mode. So number of frequency here, like 6 is 3 times, 5 is 1 time, 4 is 3 is 2 times, and 9 is like 2 times. So what will be the mode? Because 6 is number of frequency of 6 number is more, so mode will be 6. So that's how we calculate the mode. So mode is also central tendency to find out number of more number of frequency in our data. So this mean, median, and mode mostly comes into a descriptive statistics, in which we have to descript we have to find out the description and summarize the data based on central tendency. So So in this way, mean median model works and how we calculate mean median. And that's all for today. We will see more videos on stats. Stay safe and keep learning. Thank you very much.